Good morning, students. I am Murali, your science teacher. On 16th, I conducted an exam in science. For that, I am here with giving you answers. You just check your question paper. First question: what are the types of chemical reactions? One is chemical combination, chemical decomposition, chemical displacement, and chemical double decomposition. Next, what is a chemical equation? Second question: what is a chemical equation? The shorthand representation of a chemical reaction by using symbols and formulae of chemical compounds, or symbolic representation of a chemical reaction is called a chemical equation. Next, what are the reactants in the below equation? The equation is CaCO3 gives rise CaO plus CO2. The question is, what are the reactants in the below equation? The reactants are calcium carbonate. What are reactants? The substances that are participating in the chemical reaction, or we can say, if it is a chemical equation, substances that are written on left hand side, substances written on left hand side are called reactants. Next, what are products in the following equation? H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to HCl. What are products in the following equation? 2HCl. HCl is hydrogen chloride, is a product. What is a product? The substances that are formed after the reaction. What does the law of conservation of matter state? It states that matter is neither created nor destroyed, or atoms cannot be created or cannot be destroyed. Next, what are the names of products in the following equation? What is the name of the product in the following equation? C plus O2 gives rise, dash is given there. What is the product in the following equation? The product is CO2. CO2. Write formulae of the following substances. You have to write the formulae of the following substances. One is carbon dioxide. Already it is there. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Water, H2O. Formula of water is H2O. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Oxygen, O2. Hydrogen, H2. And nitrogen, N2. Next, formula of a chemical compound cannot be altered. Fill in the blank. Formula of a chemical compound cannot be altered. Next question. In an equation, reactants and products are connected by. In an equation, reactants and products are connected by an arrow mark. In a chemical equation, reactants and products are connected by an arrow mark. In a chemical reaction, atoms are neither created nor destroyed. Answer is destroyed. In a chemical reaction, atoms are neither created nor destroyed. So, you check your answers. With these answers, just I have given, and send me your work. Thank you.